Good morning. Today we introduce the plastic fire extinguisher box. This version is the premium version with this fast mounting system, which allows to fix the fire extinguisher box in a fast and easy way to the landing legs or on the back of the truck. But let's see how the fire extinguisher box is mounted to the vehicles. So once the bracket is secured to the landing leg or the back of the vehicles, we just slide in the fire extinguisher box. We put in the ring and turn it and just secure. The fire extinguisher box is now mounted to the vehicles. For further information, please visit our website www.bawer.it. Thank you.